You're from Delhi?
Yes, sir.
Tell us something about yourself.
Sir, my name is Riya Dabi. I was born in Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh, but I have been living most of my life in New Delhi. And I have done my BA in Political Science from Delhi University. And apart from that, I am a person who considers myself as hardworking, who likes to follow my goals and complete them on time. And I also like to do painting, so I also consider myself as a creative person.
What goals did you set for yourself?
So the goals for the daily life, for example, if we have to finish any task on time, what we have to study, what we have to do, how. So for example, while I was preparing for the civil services exam, so the daily dose of the whatever topics I had to cover in a day, how much time I had to allocate for my exercise, how much time I had to allocate for my rest, so and so on.
What is the difference between Delhi and New Delhi?
Sir, Delhi is considered as the national capital of the country, and New Delhi is considered as one of the constituencies or one of the districts of the city of Delhi. And it is also called as New Delhi because the part of Delhi which is called New Delhi, it is the administrative center of Delhi, which contains buildings such as the Parliament House, Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Supreme Court. So that is why there is a difference in the terminology because of that.
Is there a difference in administration?
No.
Delhi and New Delhi?
No, sir, there is no difference in administration. The Delhi government looks after the entire city of Delhi.
What is Delhi is known to have a 3-tier administrative setup. Can you tell us the 3 tiers?
So I believe the 3 tiers would be first or the bottom level would be the district administration or the municipal level of Delhi. Second would be the